We'll walk you through
how to remove someone from Slack Workspace.
If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel.
So in order to delete someone from your workspace on Slack, the first thing you want to do is to head over to Slack, and this is the interface. In the top left corner, you want to click on your workspace, and down below you want to click on where it says preferences with the settings gear icon. Once you click on that, you want to scroll down to where it says account settings and go ahead and click on that. So you want to scroll down to where it says delete the workspace. So you got to scroll all the way down. I'm going to click on that. So even if it says delete the workspace, we're not deleting the workspace, we're removing a member. So once you're on here, you want to click on the top left corner with the burger icon and go over to manage members here. Right, so once you're on here, you can see all of the members you have on your workspace. So in order to delete them, you just want to click on the three dot icon here. I'm going to click on that for mallet and click on deactivate account. So you're going to get a prompt that says the member will no longer be able to sign into the workspace and their access will be revoked. So I'm going to click on deactivate. Right, so once you do that, the next step is to click on the three dot icon again and click on delete profile. A pop-up menu will appear telling you what happens when you delete a profile. The person's information will be deleted completely and cannot be reversed. So you want to click on you understand this action cannot be undone and click delete profile. And once I refresh the page, as you can see, the member has been deleted from my workspace. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.